The inspiration for this room really came from probably my environment directly. And in Vancouver, we have a lot of natural wood, so we've got a lot of beautiful stuff looking out the window, but not necessarily that same feeling inside. And there's a lot of return to emphasizing the natural wood grain, mixing it with some strong metals, pairing that with some classical shapes, and keeping those color palettes quite simple and quite understated to let everything else kind of really shine out. But when it came down to this process and going through the design, what I found out about myself was actually, I thought I was one particular thing. I thought I was a modernist. I am clearly not a modernist. I'm very eclectic. I like things that are modern, I like things that are classical, I like different shapes and different patterns, and I like to mix them all together. Some of the plumbing fittings that I picked were inspired off of that hexagon pattern, doing something that was a little unusual. Some of the faucets had this bolt shape that would look like you would just kind of tighten it from the top down. And I thought that was really interesting, and that really allowed me to kind of explore that shape further. I repeated that shape with the tile pattern on the back wall, and everything else just kind of flowed from that one faucet. Once I could settle on the faucet, I pretty much built the inspiration of the whole room. I would probably say that what really jumped out to me at first was the teak tile. That I wanted to use a penny tile or a round shape, but when I found it in wood, that just set me off. Like, that just really inspired the rest of the shapes to start moving along and moving forward. The other thing that I like about this room is that it is an open room, but it's partitioned. It's separated. It has open spaces and private spaces. It has no view of the toilet from the entry point, but you move a little bit over and you get to see this almost 7 fixture bathroom in such a nice tight little package.